Installing my first ever set of BC Racing coilovers, accompanied by some white line sway bars. It's gonna make the car handle great, feel new again. This is one of the many vital things this car needs. Let's get in the process. Very first set of BC coils that everyone runs, everyone talks about. My time to give it a shot. Putting them on the Mazdaspeed3 Mazdaspeed3 behind me, the giveaway car that you can get entered to win with the link in the description, shopmazdaspeed.com. Make sure you select the Mazdaspeed3 and maybe we'll be giving you a call here soon to deliver the car to your house. Like Andrew, then Louie, the Miata's going out soon, and then this car. First time ever holding a coilover from BC. This is really nice. The colors are satisfying. Got a nice click to them. The camber plates look quality. All the dimensions to it. Nothing's plain about it. Fancy. You've got all the rubber on the spring. I think that's for vibration. I'm really excited to see how these handle, and I hope they handle as good as they look. The second suspension mod is sway bars from our friends over at White Line. This is the full kit with the end links from them. Of course, everything's in the description. Parts, labeled, codes, discounts, save some money, all linked down below. Some White Line valve stem caps. Haven't seen those yet. This is the rear end links, and this is the big front one. Install day, getting all the tools out. Car's almost ready, shade up. It's about 90 degrees. It's gonna get to 100 and something. We got some work to do. Step one, take all the wheels off. I'm choosing to start in the back. Let's just get it absolutely dialed first. So let's start taking things apart. First thing, sway bar end link for the rear. $17mm on the nut, 5mm on head. I could probably go ahead and install the new sway bar and stuff, but let's just go all the way, get all the suspension done, and then lace it together with the sway bar. This car does have lowering springs for anyone wondering, so it's gonna get nice fitment instead of just being a little bit lowered. Hello. Hello, spring friend. Going up for the top bolts, 12mm wobbly. See if we can get it. Yikes. Just straight with the gun. It's the way to do it. Ta-da. Get ready for it. Boing. Ah. Got stock strut in the back, got the BC. If you want to change the length of the shock in the back, this is not your ride height. Your ride height is in the spring, but you twist the bottom of it. So I put it next to the stock one. I've got it just a little bit shorter, and I'm gonna spin down this lock ring, grab my wrench that came with the kit, grab the smaller wrench that they give you, snug it up. For the dampener adjustment, I went all the way soft and then 10 clicks in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure you do that for both. I'm wanting this to be a smooth ride, so I'm gonna go on the softer side. Take my measurement end to end, 27 1/8. Grab my other one. Do the same thing. That's about right. Throw it in the car. This is the bolt that holds the strut to the bottom of the hub assembly, and it's not long enough. So I went to Ace Hardware and picked up a M12 with a 1.25 fine thread pitch. Probably said that wrong. And this works. And you can see it's got the little flat spot for the strut to rest on. You're gonna need to do this if you get these coilovers. 2 bolts, $4 each. We're good to go.
Once again, it is that time.
So here's the stock spring that was in there. Here is the new one. As you can see, there's a little bit of a height difference, but the spring rates are gonna be different, so it'll be interesting how it sits. So to start, I went ahead and made the gap that sits inside the spring that I can see the threads 1/2 inch. We're gonna start there. This is the mechanism to adjust the ride height. That goes on the bottom of the spring. One thing that's nice about BC is it has this little plastic piece here to create a barrier between it and a piece of metal, so hopefully it doesn't make any noise. Snug those up. I'm really just guessing on the rear. I don't know where this is gonna end up, so we'll see and have to make adjustment from there. All right, let's go set it in there. Got the pole jack helping me here. This is equivalent to a floor jack if you're doing this on the ground, which you totally can. Don't fight it. You just gotta figure out the angle. Ready to go? Slide in our new end links. This is actually really cool. I didn't know this, and I don't think this was this way last time, but these bushings are actually greaseless. They almost have like a little like fuzzy furniture looking material. These end links are adjustable, so make sure that they're the same and then tighten them down and then install the sway bar. Just got it in there, just need to tighten the end links and we'll be good to go. Awesome. Next up, I'm just putting on these like lockers that keep it from moving. Perfect. Maybe the front, so you can start taking stuff off. Time for the worst part of the day, swapping out the sway bar. We do have to lower the subframe. Let's get to it. Okay. Now we need to support the subframe. Getting this out is a little interesting. Sway bar is in, subframe is back up. This bolt is actually stripped, which is horrible. We gotta figure that out. So to be continued. Now it's time to just unbolt the struts and then put the new BCs in. Got the freshies. pretty much good to go. Coilover's in, sway bar end link is in. Show you on the other side, you can see a little bit more. The MOT moment of truth. It's a little high, we're gonna fix it. I hate to put you on a cliffhanger, but I got a lot of traveling going on and I'm not able to keep up, so we're gonna be coming back to this on another video to show you the ride height, get it all dialed, show you how the car handles. I had to replace a wheel bearing, and then the brakes were making noise, I need to replace the brakes, so we have so many more things to do to this car that I'm really looking forward to it. If you wanna see a video where I have some awesome tires put on that are budget friendly, but have really good performance and a look, check out this video right here, my favorite budget tire for sports cars.